Hey there, gardeners. Tomorrow here, and today we are going to be talking about the benefits of seeds over transplants. Now that it's a gorgeous spring outside, many of you will be traveling to the garden centers and nurseries in order to get some transplants for your garden, which is absolutely wonderful. But did you know that there is an even better way to make sure that your garden is even more successful? And that is by starting from seeds. Now, I know starting from seeds seems to be a little bit daunting for you, but trust me, this video is going to be showing you how seeds are the best way to go to make sure that your garden is the most successful year after year. Here at Tomorrow's Garden, we focus on container and compact variety of vegetables, fruits, and herbs that are perfect for a small-scale gardening adventure. After 5 years of growing, I learned that the most successful seeds come from plants that were grown, harvested, and collected in an outdoor climate. Because whatever seeds went through that roller coaster weather, those genetics have now been passed down to the next generation, and so therefore they'll be just fine. Whereas big box stores, they are growing those plants for seed in a climate controlled environment that is absolutely perfect for that plant. And that's why a lot of seeds just don't make it. So why buy from me? Well, if you're in zone 4 or 10 or something not close to 8B, then don't. It's not just about buying seeds. It's about saving seeds. It's about making sure that you have food for the next year, for the next generation. So if you keep buying seeds from all the major companies, then the plants are just not going to do well over the years. Food security is at its highest that it's been in decades. And here's the thing, every single seed equals food. The solution to all these food insecurities, food deserts, and just lack of fresh food is suburban agriculture. You don't need to grow on acres and acres in order to be able to sustain for yourself and for your family. It can be done in your own yard. And that's why I focus on the container and compact varieties, so that you can still grow so much food in such a small space. We grow only heirloom or open pollinated varieties. It simply means that you can save the seeds, and the seeds are going to pass those genetics down to the next, to the next, to the next. But what does that mean for you? It means that you can save those seeds instead of having to keep buying year after year. Now I know, I'm trying to sell you seeds, but that's what seed buying is all about. It's about buying once and then keep on going. And then once you save the seeds that you like, then buy some more seeds that you haven't tried before. Now that you know everything about why seeds are better than transplants, it's time to move yesterday's beliefs of farming into tomorrow's garden, one seed at a time. Tomorrow's Garden. What do we do? I say this every Saturday. How do I not know this by heart? Here at Tomorrow's Garden, we focus on canker sores. Okay. Come here. Yeah. You want to be in the intro? Yeah. So how are seeds the solution to insecurity? To personal insecurity? Get the seeds and either, oh my God, there's a cat. So to everyone at the farmer's market that goes, oh my God, did you do the artwork on these seeds packets? Yes, I did. It's possible to do both, okay? It's possible to do artwork and grow seeds. You can do it, it's fine. After 5 years of growing, I don't know what happened after 5 years. What happened after 5 years? I learned shit.